In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert multiple rows in Google Sheets using 3 simple methods. These methods are easy to follow, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you're comfortable performing these tasks on your own. First, we'll start with something as simple as opening your Google Sheets. If you haven't already, navigate to Google Sheets through your browser and open the document where you want to add rows. Once your sheet is open, you'll need to select the row above where you want your new rows to be inserted. This can be done by clicking on the row number on the left-hand side. You'll notice it gets highlighted, meaning it's selected. Now, with that row selected, head to the top of the Google Sheets interface. You'll find a menu bar with various options. Look for the Insert option and click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Insert one row above. Click this option, and voila, you will have a new row added above the row you selected. In our next method, you'll be using the right-click approach, which is also quite straightforward. Again, start by selecting the row where you want to add new rows. Once the row is highlighted, perform a right-click with your mouse, which will bring up a contextual menu. From this menu, you'll see the Insert one row above option. By clicking this option, a new row will be created directly above your selected row, just like before. Now, let's move on to our final method, which makes adding multiple rows super efficient. To begin, select a row where you want the new rows to go. After that, you'll repeat the action of adding a row by pressing the F4 key on your keyboard. The F4 key is a shortcut that repeats your last action in Google Sheets, so each time you press F4, another row will be added. This is especially handy when you want to insert several rows and need to do it quickly without navigating back through menus each time. And that's all there is to it. With these 3 methods, using the menu bar, right-clicking, and employing the F4 key, you're fully equipped to manage and organize your Google Sheets by inserting multiple rows with ease. Whether you're handling large data sets or just keeping things neat and tidy, these techniques are sure to enhance your productivity. Don't forget to familiarize yourself with these steps to streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on optimizing your use of Google Sheets.